Hi, this is Ms. Jones on day 2 or day 3 of instructional, but it's day 2 for my A-day students. And you B-day students can go in as well. I just wanted to show you guys a couple of things that we went over today. Number 1 is that every day I want you to go into the classroom and take attendance, do your attendance, your check-in. So you're going to go in and check in every day. It'll take you less than 2 minutes. I think I asked you to type your name and then put what period you're in, and then bam, that's how you get attendance for today. Another thing that we went over is the Google site scavenger hunt. That is due today, tomorrow for B-day students. But what you do is you click on the link, and it'll take you to the Google site. And the Google site is what you're going to use to answer all the questions that are on the Google site scavenger hunt. So here is the Google site scavenger hunt. And some of the classes, it's like it's making a copy for you already. So if you go to turn in assignment, it's already there for you and you can type on it. Some of you will have to actually go right here. Most of you will have to go File, Make a Copy. And then once you've made a copy, it'll open up for you. That's what it's doing for me now. And then you will use the Google site to answer the questions. So where is Miss Jones's contact information? Miss Jones' contact information. I'm going to put this here, but oops. So you would go to the website, and here I am on the home page. There's the About page, the Calendar page, the assignments, and the class resources. So I'm going to look, working from home. There's Leonard Middle School. Scroll down, contact information. Oh, there's Miss Jones's contact information. So I'd go back to the Google site scavenger hunt, and I would type in home page, or you can just put home, whatever you want to do. You can change the font if you like. Don't go any smaller than 10, please. So it's on the home page, all right? And then you go on to number 2, all right? And then you turn it in. And if you don't know how to turn it in, there is a video and resources in the Google Classroom to show you how to turn in your assignments. All right? So everybody, if I don't see you tomorrow, have a good weekend. Make good choices. I will see everybody on Monday because we go to all of our classes on Mondays. Okay? And I do want to see everybody on Monday. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.